Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as you can see, I have something different. I just tried something like to be able to see all the charts, and yeah, I didn't know that these drawings were not gonna be here. So I have all the drawings all together here, and well, today is gonna be a little bit strange because I'm gonna have to show you everything only on these charts, okay? Um, so we're gonna start, and yeah, and tomorrow I'm gonna try to change it again, okay? Or have try something else because I am not able to change it and put yeah yeah I'm not able to change it and put the drawings on the other ones, okay? So today we're gonna start with the DXY. We had this previous weekly low and this break of structure to the downside, so this was round liquidity in H1. We took that and then we went directly to this round liquidity in H1, where I was looking, well, not buys, but I understand that the USD pairs one buys here, and then it went up to take this round liquidity in H1 to then look for sells, but it gave the sells after, okay, out of timing, of course. So this is interesting because I was looking for buys on EU. As you can see, we had previous weekly high and this break of structure here. This made like round liquidity on each one. I wanted to trade, like not trade, and try to look for the new strategy that I'm studying, but there was nothing in this case. Then we took the round liquidity on 5 here. The break of structure was here. And then it went down to take the round liquidity on 5 and all the movement to the downside. And in this case I was looking for buys, but it gave this shit, this break with this wick here, and I decided not to enter. Well, the price just went up and took the round liquidity on F5, which it was this one, okay? So no trade for me here, even that I like it, but I don't like this wick. It's true that it's mitigated, we have a seller's wick here, but yeah, I just follow my rules and well, I don't have this profit, okay? Then GU, more or less the same, we had this previous daily low and triangle within H1 from this break here. I was looking for buys too, on EU. Sorry, I'm talking like this because there's people at home, of course. And well, we had this first break started to the upside out of timing, taking the round liquidity on F5 here. And then again, as on EU, we had this break of structure here. I really thought about entering here because I remember that this pattern usually is bullish. But we had this wick here, which is bigger than the candle, and I decided not to enter. And then we had this confirmation, and the price went up directly to the fucking targets. So another trade. That, well, I respected my rules, but unluckily I'm not taking like I'm not having really good results lately, so this fucks me a little bit, okay? And well, then USD which is down here. I have been a stop loss today on USD So we took this previous weekly high, taking this round liquidity one, then we took this one, the previous daily high, and we had clear round liquidities down here, so I was looking for sells. We had this breakout structure here. This candle had a wick, but it's not that big, I think. So we had this break here, clean break. The candles are strong, and then we took the round liquidity on 5. I decided to enter on M1 on this engulfing candle here, and well, the price just went up again, taking me out, and then it break up. I was looking for sells again. The break obstructor was here, no break in the end, and then we had this break here that I didn't trade because of this candle with the wick, which is mitigated too, but yeah, it just has a wick, so I'm not sure about it. Okay, lately these weeks are working, so yeah, something that I have to study or something, but no trade for me. Then USD um okay, so yeah, we took this previous weekly low, so we had revenue equity on H1 up there, and then we took the previous daily low, leaving revenue equity on H1 here, I think, and then on M5 I was looking for the buys, but yeah, the breakout starter was up here, and so no buy for me. And finally USD CAD. I was all day waiting for this previous daily low and revenue equity on H1 to be taken, and this revenue equity on H1 to be taken from this break, to look for buys, but then it went down and I had no opportunity to trade it, so yeah, no trade for me. The silver trade is flying. I closed all my trade from ZEC, because I had some on the exchange. I had some problem that the page wasn't charging, so I closed 2 times 50% position, and it closed practically all the position. After I'm still waiting for the TP, and then on Ethereum it took me out with break even, and then it went down probably to my target. So yeah, fuck me, and let's see if we have something on Solana and Hype. But well, okay, so this was my day. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to have all the drawings here, but I wanted to try this, and well, it's something new. Okay, so well, I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.